Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to edit a video using VN Video Editor, and I would like to show to you 3 ways of editing a video only using your phones. So the way to create it, the first way is a cinematic blur or screen blur, and the way to adding it, it's just so simple. You need to open your VN and then import the clip that you want to add this effect. And then the next thing that you need to do is on this toolbar, you need to swipe left of it until you found this blur button. And so just click it and go to this basic blur, and you can increase the intensity of the blur onto 75 like this. And then the next step that you need to do is add a keyframe by clicking the clip like this and click the keyframe button and swipe left onto the exact duration where do you want to put another keyframe, and then add on this side. And then go to your blur effect again and decrease the blur intensity of it. And now when you're done, the final result of it will be look like this. As you can see, now we have this cinematic blur effect on this clip. Okay, and the second methods that you can use is the zoom in, cinematic zoom in on VN Video Editor. The way to create it, it's so simple. It takes under maybe 1 minute to create, or maybe just 10 seconds. Okay, so let's just go to the tutorial, and I would like to show to you the way to do that. First thing first, import a clip that you want to add this effect, and then click this keyframe button like this. And now you can zoom in onto this clip like this, and then go to the exact duration again and add another keyframe and set all of the orientation from the clip going back to the normal. And now when you're done, this is the final result of it. As you can see, now we have this zoom effect on this clip and without adding any movement on it. And then the last method that you can use is a fade in intro. And I would like to show to you how the way to create this fade in intro. Okay, now you just need to add this black screen clip, and you can delete this one. And again, add a text onto this clip. Just type any text that you want, and you can, if you want to, you can change the size of the text, the font of the text. Okay, so let's just change it onto a bolder font. Just go to this font button on your toolbar, and I would like to change it onto this smaller font. And now when you're done, click the font clip and then swipe left the toolbar of it until you found this mask button. And instead using this linear mask, you need to use this mirror mask and decrease the thickness of the mask. Click one more time like this, and then adjust the position like this if you're willing to. And I would like to, one more time, I would like to increase the feather from the mask like this and set the mask on the side. Add a keyframe on the first duration and add another keyframe onto the exact duration where you want to add the end of the motion from the mask. Now when you're done, as you can see, now we have this fade in intro on your clip. And that's the way to create these 3 advanced video editing using VN Video Editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.